This tutorial shows you how to upload a video and share it with someone using Drive. First, open the Google Drive app. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom right. After that, tap on Upload. From there, select the video you want to send from your gallery. At this point, wait for the video to finish uploading to your Drive. In the next step, tap and hold on the uploaded video to select it. Following this, tap on the share icon at the top. Once done, enter the email address of the person you want to send it to. From here, choose their permission level, such as viewer or editor. At this stage, tap Send to share the video directly. After this, if you'd rather share a link instead, tap on Get Link. Once completed, tap Copy Link and paste it wherever you'd like to send it. Finally, confirm the recipient can open and play the video from their end. Keep in mind, large video files can take a while to upload depending on your internet connection, so give it time before sharing. And that's it. If this guide helped you send videos on Google Drive, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.